Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking hotel Instagram post for your hotel business. If you own a hotel, are studying hospitality, or are planning to start a hotel business, and want to create social media posts for your hotel on your own, you can do it in Canva. If you don't have any experience or creativity, you don't have to worry, because Canva allows you to modify templates created by professional designers and creatives. You just need to create an account in Canva. Go to the search bar and type Hotel Instagram Post. Canva will suggest the best options for you. Go to the See All option to explore all the available templates. You can see that everything from minimalist to professional templates is available. Maybe this one looks good. You can explore the options and choose whichever template meets your expectations. For now, this one looks good to me, and it's free, so I'll go with this one and customize this template. Click on it, and now I have full access to modify whatever I want. If I want to change, replace, or reposition this image, I can. If I want to change the text, I can edit it and do whatever I like, just like this. If you want to undo an action, there is an option. Now, starting with the text. If you want to customize the text, double-click on it, and add or remove text using the backspace key. For more text customization features, click on Text. Here is the option for changing the font. This one is for resizing, and this one is for changing the color. This one is for making the text bold, italic, underlined, or strike-through, as well as changing it to uppercase or lowercase, adjusting the alignment, and creating a list. You can also adjust letter spacing and line spacing. This one is for adjusting transparency. If you want to add an animation, or if you want to adjust the position, these are the features available for text customization. Now, moving on to the background, just click on the background. Here is the option for changing the background color. Just click on it, and you can change the color of your background like this. Now, to replace the template image with your own, go to Uploads. Upload the image from your computer, and it will appear here. So, for now, I'll pick random images from Pinterest, just to demonstrate. Maybe this one. I'll just click Copy Image. This one looks blurry, so I'll go with another. This one looks better. Alright, so I'll just copy it and paste it here. Like this, I'll just copy and paste it here. To replace an image, you just need to drag and drop it like this. To reposition it, just double-click on it and reposition your image. If you want to replace an image, just drag and drop it like this. If I want to replace it with this one, I will drag and drop this one. If I want to use this one, I can follow the same process. Just drag and drop it. In this way, you can add your own details, information, logos, branding, colors, and anything else you like. When you are done customizing or modifying the design, rename your file here. Then click here to download it in PNG format or any other available format. Just download it, and your hotel or resort Instagram post is ready to upload to your social media. Thank you for watching.